Well, good evening, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. And we're back again with our Magic Crypto portfolio. And I figure it's time to start doing a little bit of analysis and look at our Magic Crypto portfolio dashboard tool that we developed earlier this year and see what it's telling us about Dogecoin. And as you can see, we're sitting at 17 cents, market cap of 23,276,000,000. And unfortunately, we have a sell indication. Today is the 16th of December, 2021. Now, let's just make sure we have a clear understanding of from whence we came. So if we look at Dogecoin, the 200-day average has gone negative by 41%. The 30-day average has gone down by 26%. And the 7-day is at 2.8% in the positive, while in the last hour it's down by 3%. We've got literally every indicator really going south, going negative, except on the weekly. And because of that, our algorithm is recommending sell. So, I usually don't like analytics that are driven by all these cups and bells and candles and everything. But if we look at performance and we translate performance as a result of the project's management, the project's actual value, and what that project is, its baseline growth and worth, we can see now, if we take the Elon Musk effect, if we take everything positive that has happened to Dogecoin to date, here we are at the end of 2021 with a sell indication. So this doesn't mean that this can't change, but it's just kind of sad for a lot of people that, over a 200-day period, you could have been up way far. Now you're off maybe by 50% if you decided to hold for the long haul. So it's time to dig deep and think about what is the real value of Dogecoin. And if you are going to invest in Dogecoin, it must not really be based on its actual performance over the last 200 days, 30 days, or even the last hour. It's got to be based on information about what they're doing with the project in the future, what agreements have been made. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We'll be doing some more performance updates. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on